Hi everyone, welcome to 13 Days of Halloween Inspiration. Each day I am taking you back to a mini album I've made in the past, hoping to inspire you to use up some of those collections you may still have in your stash. This was an old Recollections collection, and I just love their old collections. I just kept the page simple. I inked up around the edges pretty heavily with different colors of distress, probably antique linen, walnut stained black soot, and I took some clear Nouveau drops and put on the crow just to add a little sheen to him. It's a real simple mini album, but when you put your photos in, they will really pop. So room here, and by the way, the book measures 7 by 7, yep, and the pages are 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. So room here for a good photo, and on here you can put a photo as well. There is a turnbuckle, I guess it's a watch clock arm. I've had those in my stash, or I had them in my stash, and I loved using them. So just the birds. If you had a 4 by 6 photo, it would fit on this page, not too much room around it, but if you cut this down 1/2 inch, that would look fabulous. Oops. Or just a square photo would fit beautifully on those pages, or the small photos would fit on here as well. So that is the first page, and this is a hidden pocket photo album, so there are some of those, and I don't remember if this was from the same collection. I mean, I sometimes mix collections, but anyhow, you could put a photo there with no problem. And then this page, love the bugs. Again, just love all the different elements in it. Here, the gold foiling looks fabulous. Room to put your photos, and if you want, put a plain piece of paper to journal on. There is the hidden photo page. Oh, isn't that great? So here is a corner pocket with a little photo mat, and this turnbuckle opens so you have room to put your photos here, and there is a pocket in the inside of this one. And again, if you have those small square photos or cut down your 4 by 6, it adds a lot of pow to these photo mats. So that will go in there. And this closes this way. And here is the hidden photo mat. Same on that side. Love these gold foiled cobwebs. I mean, they just really steal the show. So that opens up so you can put a nice spread on those pages. And there is your photo mat. And I think that's supposed to look like the vein on a moth's wing. I mean, that's what I take it as. Otherwise, it looks like cells from my science class. I don't know. And then on the final page, this will open up like that, giving you room to put more photos. Gosh, I just love that. Just love it. I loved this page. And I loved these guys so much that I took some clear Nouveau drops and inked on circles that I used to punch and put them on these candlesticks. I don't know if these were on the page. I don't know, but anyhow, I like the look of that. It adds some dimension, and it's sort of cool. And then there's a page there you can put a photo mat in. Love that lace, again with that gold foiling. So there we go, my Happy Hauntings mini album. If you want to see better details, check out my Etsy shop. You can look at the photos on there if it is not sold. So that's what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.